Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I am here today with a rather laid back video. I am going to work on some jelly prints. I'm going to do some doodling. When we did our jelly printing session, I talked about that and people were asking me questions. So I thought I'd do a video and get these done up. So let's just say hi and hugs first though. Hi and hugs to Ketchup016, Donna, Bookshop Shelly, and the Paper Bumblebee. Thank you so much for watching and your kind comments. Okay. Yes, I feel up to a very laid back video today. I had migraine in the middle of the night, and so I'm all kind of medicated up, which doesn't mean I can't craft, but it does mean my voice might sound weird or, I might be quieter than usual. So doodling is a great little relaxing sort of an activity. So I think that's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you these examples before we get to going. These are from a jelly printing class that I did. And so after the paint dries, things you can do. So I don't know if you can see this very well, but if I pull it up close, I just went around this design with a black gel pen. That's all I did. Just doodled. This one, a white gel pen. And again, a white gel pen around the little images there. This one, I took a cup and dipped it in red paint and just put it here and there on the print. And same with this, only I think this was a toilet paper roll that I just dipped in the paint. These little splotches, I think what I did is took my brayer. I had some red paint that was all gloppy, and so it didn't spread. It just left these dots, but I like how it turned out anyway. It's like happy accident. This one I've just drawn around with a white pen. This one, I think I did these brown dots with a marker and then went with a gel pen in the middle of them on that one. This one I just shaded. Trying to remember. Oh, you know what I did is I took the big brush pen and went around and then real quick blended it in with my fingers. So it kind of gave it a shadow effect on that one. This one just drew around with a dark pen. And then these were my favorites, and I've made a digital. I have a digital on my Etsy shop, Cinnamon Tea, with these. And they were just some of my favorites. Loved them. Love that one. And that one. And this one, I took a stencil. Here, I'll show you. Thought I might as well grab what's over there, but I don't know if I'll use it. But I just one of these, and I just got this at an office supply store at Staples probably, and it has all different size circles, and so I just did different size circles, and then doodled in the middle of them on that one and on this one. So all kinds of fun to be had. So I am just going to, I actually am feeling real happy. I got all my jelly prints kind of organized. So these are the after the paint dries ones I have my folder from the class that I did, which is that. And then I just organized them in a big folder that I have on my shelf by these need more done with them. these are finished. And then I have my doodle ones. So I felt happy about that. Always good to get a little bit organized, isn't it? So let's see what we have in the doodle pile and just play. I've got my big old, ridiculously big pen holder here. That's what happens when you do mixed media, you gather. But it's great that I'm using some of these supplies that I haven't used for a while. I'm really happy about that. So this one, I don't know what I want to do with yet. But this one we could doodle on. Let's do this one first. Okay. Okay, so now I need to decide what color I would like around that. I'm thinking maybe pink. I should have a little piece of paper over here that I can, let's use this. Just make sure my pens are working because, I mean, I've had these pens. I've had this pen probably 6 years, at least, maybe 10, and it still works. I just think these Faber-Castell pens are the best. So I'm just gonna go around each little design. And I'm telling you, this is just really relaxing. It's, you know, if I knew how to put tinkly music in the background, I would do it, but I don't. So you just have to listen to me. And like I say, I don't know. So I will ask for some prayers. My son-in-law has tested positive for COVID for the second time. Oh. So I'm feeling a little bit bummed about that. It's like, oh my gosh. Life is hard for everyone right now. And so I talked to my daughter. She just doesn't want to have to go to remote learning again. It was so hard on her kids. They're very social. So, and it's, you know, it always things kind of happen back east and then they work their way to the west. I suppose because we're less populated. But, yeah, but oh, I kind of like when it hits the paint, it kind of turns a different shade. That's kind of cool. Didn't expect that, but I like it. Yeah, so anyway, we just got that news just before I started the video, so it's fresh on my brain. So I think I'm going to do this video and then I'm going to go lay down, which I don't take naps. I'm just not a napper and I'm kind of the Energizer bunny. So, you know, I don't feel well if I go take a nap. So I said to my husband, I think I'll take a nap after I do this video. And he said, I think that's a good idea. I think he gets annoyed with me because I just keep going. But later on this afternoon, we have Addie Mae's basketball game. So we'll watch that on TV. We're under winter advisories, like we're going to get more snow, but also extreme cold. It's supposed to be 40 below zero here in a couple of days. So Mike and I will be home in our little house, keeping our fingers crossed the heater just keeps working. It's going to be working hard. Oh gosh, 40 below. Not that we haven't had that many a time in my life. That's that happens here sometimes. Usually it's never more than a week of that kind of extreme cold though. So it's like Mike said, we have groceries, and so we shall be just fine in that cold. But see how much that adds? I hope you can, let me look in the camera. Yeah, it really does add quite a bit. So this is fun. I think this is so going to be really pretty. I don't know, you guys, this might be a short video. I'm going downhill here. I just didn't want, I've been working so hard to get ahead for when we take care of Katie. I just didn't want to lose any progress that I've made, you know? I just had lunch, so maybe that's why I'm feeling kind of squeezy. Crazy girl. Ooh, I do like this. It's really cool how it goes kind of dark in some of the places where the paint is. I think part of my thing against napping is I'm always afraid that then I won't sleep that night. And I don't like sleepless nights. So I just keep going all day and hope that I'll be so tired I'll sleep. And usually that's the case. Okay. But I wanted to do this video because I had so many questions about what are you talking about when you're talking about doodling? Well, this is what I'm talking about. I'm sitting here deciding if this just needs a little dark too, or if I should just leave it light. It's got, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's got very faint gold on it from one of the, yeah, oh, I think I'm gonna leave that for now. I was thinking about maybe putting like a black star in there. You know, if I ruin it, it's just a piece of paper, right? So let's go for it. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like it. It almost looks like it would be kind of cool for the pink Christmas. I think I've had too many pills. That's why my tummy's off. You know, when you take those migraine meds and then I have to take my heart meds and, you know, oh yeah, that's what it needed. Okay. Sometimes you just have to be brave, you know, and just go for it. So this pen, also Faber-Castell, but it's the smaller one, and it's that they have like on their lids, like it has B, that means brush. I've got like a 1.5, and then there's like small calligraphy is SC, and small brush is SB or something like that. So they kind of let you know what kind of pen you're getting. So watched a fun movie last night. It was called Journey to the Mysterious Island. And it's a family movie, you know, and Mike and I really enjoyed it. It was cute. So my daughter was telling me about a series. I'm not sure where it's, which service it's on, but it's called Alone. And it's a kind of a survival competition type of thing. And she said it's really, really good. So we're going to have to try that out. They really like it. She said my son-in-law's figured out he can't be alone. Which doesn't surprise me. He's a very social guy. So, which is probably how he got COVID. Got it from a friend, I guess. Oh, it just makes me sick. But he's isolating from the family, and so far nobody else in the family's sick. Last time they all got it. So we'll just keep our fingers crossed that it's not too bad. Mild symptoms, that's what I'm hoping. Weird world we live in, guys. It just really is. So we just have to find our happy where we can, even if it's just making little stars on a piece of paper. This makes me happy. Oh, that is fun. I like how that turned out. Yeah, that's all I'm going to do because these big circles have more of the gold in them. So that one's done. Yay. So that goes into the finish pile. Okay. See if there's anything. Well, that one should be pretty easy. That's I don't know. Sometimes it doesn't hit me what to do with them. This one just needs to be outlined. Maybe we'll use that. Do that one. Okay, I'm looking for a black, pink black. You guys, I don't know. I think I might have to call this a video. I'm really fading. I think I may not publish this. So if I do publish it, I want to say thanks to everybody for watching the Gelli printing and enjoying it. And thanks for your questions about the doodling. I gave you an example, so that's good. So that might be it for today. So thank you so much. I'm sorry I've flaked out on you, but we will just see you in the next video. Have a grateful day, everyone. Bye-bye.